In this video, I'll show you how to fix League of Legends no audio. Now first what you want to do is come up here and make sure under sound that you have it actually enabled. So click on this to enable it and make sure it's turned up and not all the way down to 0. Now once you've done that, what you can do is come down here, click on your volume button, open sound settings, make sure this is turned up, make sure you have the correct output, this is my default device, and make sure you go to the app volume down here and make sure you find the League of Legends and make sure you turn it up. Now once you have done that, make sure you choose the correct in here. Now the default device will just use the ones that you set as the default, which is this one. So if I choose this or I choose this one, it's exactly the same. Now once you've done that, come in here, go to open, click on the sounds one here, playback, and make sure you set the default device to the correct one. Now if you don't know which one is the correct one, usually when there's sounds, this one will go up and down like a green one if you're playing music. So just choose that one and set default. Now this is the default one for me and this is the correct one. Now if that doesn't work, you can come down here and try and update them. So search for device manager. In here choose audio inputs and outputs, find your default one, update driver. If you're not sure which one, you can just update all of them. And then after that you can try and disable and re-enable by just disable and then right click enable. Now another thing we can try is search for troubleshoot. Come in here and additional troubleshooters, choose playing audio and run the troubleshooter. Now hopefully any of these will help fix your issue. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.